For Mayor Lightfoot and Governor Pritzker on their vaccine mandates.
Yeah, a federal judge ruled today 130 city workers are not entitled to a temporary restraining order, and the vaccine mandates should stand. WGN's Megan Dwyer now live in our newsroom with the latest here. Megan.
Ray and Micah, the judge says these policies do not infringe on any fundamental constitutional rights. It's a small victory, but the battles continue. The cases are mounting in the courts as workers protest vaccine mandates and required testing. Today, a small victory for Mayor Lori Lightfoot and Governor J.B. Pritzker as federal judge John Z. Lee denied workers' requests for a temporary restraining order, saying there is a public health necessity for requiring vaccines. 130 City of Chicago workers, mostly in the fire department, but also in the water department and transportation departments, argued the vaccine mandates are unconstitutional and violate Illinois law. They also tried to argue natural immunity is just as good, if not better, than vaccine immunity. And since they've had COVID before, they shouldn't have to get a shot.
The number of people who had COVID once and then get it again is amazingly small.
Their lawyer, Jonathan Lubin, who is currently quarantined with COVID, is also representing 6 Naperville firefighters in a similar federal case. He's arguing the city's requirement that they get a shot or get tested weekly violates their rights to due process and equal protection, and that workers have a fundamental right to their bodily autonomy.
Folks that had COVID already are being treated as if they're dangerous, whereas folks that simply have vaccine immunity who never had COVID before are being treated as if they're safe. And that's backwards.
The judge in the Naperville case suggested this morning he might want to hear all of the cases on this issue so there's a unified decision. A third lawsuit is also pending against Cook County. Healthcare employees who work at Stroger Hospital and the Cook County Jail are also suing. Workers in all the cases say they want a court to intervene so they can't get fired or disciplined for not getting vaccinated. The City of Chicago, City of Naperville, and the state contend there is a compelling government interest to mandate vaccines based on science and medical research. And the only way to overcome this pandemic is to make sure enough people have immunity before another variant, even more dangerous than the Delta, surfaces. Today, Judge Lee decided not to rule yet on the employee's complaint for a preliminary injunction because he says things are developing by the hour with these cases. In that case, 45 firefighters have applied for religious exemptions to the mandate. 5 have been denied so far, and the rest remain pending. Ray, Micah.
All right, Megan, thanks.